If I told you a teenage boy turned $114 into $1 million using just one mindset shift, would you believe me? That boy was Warren Buffett. And what he discovered as a teenager is the same strategy millionaires still use today, yet most people completely ignore it. Let me tell you the story, because this might change the way you look at money forever. Warren Buffett didn't grow up rich. He was just a curious kid from Omaha who delivered newspapers to make a few extra bucks. At age 11, he bought his first stock, 3 shares, $38 each. But soon after, the price dropped to $27. Most people would panic. He didn't. He waited. And it eventually climbed to $40. He sold. Made a small profit. But then, the stock kept climbing to $200. That moment taught him something most adults never learn. If you want to build wealth, you have to think long-term. That lesson became the foundation of his entire strategy. So what is Buffett's million-dollar strategy? It's simple, but not easy. 1. Start early. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. 2. Think long-term. Ignore hype. Invest in businesses you believe in. 3. Let compound interest work for you. Buffett calls this the 8th wonder of the world. He once said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." That's not just investing advice, it's life advice. You don't need millions to get started. You just need the mindset, the patience, the vision. Buffett's strategy isn't just about money. It's about believing that small actions, done consistently, create massive results. So ask yourself, are you chasing quick money? Or planting trees that will grow for years to come? Subscribe if you're ready to grow. Your million-dollar mindset starts today.